Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are going to be trying the new TikTok trend that I've been seeing going around everywhere. Everyone is doing it, and that is the tissue technique. So it's basically a screwed up bit of tissue, dip it in some eyeshadow, blob it on your eye and you're good to go. So I'm thinking I probably cannot mess that up, so we're going to give it a go. If you do know who created this trend, then please give them some credit in the comments below, or like let me know who it was and I can credit them as well. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like if you enjoy this sort of thing. Let's give this new TikTok tissue technique challenge thing a go. So for this challenge, I keep calling it a challenge, for this tissue technique we obviously need some tissue, thanks to Kleenex. Make sure it's not one of those mentally ones, I don't want to be putting that on my eye. We are going to be using the Carnival palette. I've also got, this is the Carnival 3, I've also got the Carnival 1 in front of me as well, in case I want to use any of those colours. What I have seen is people doing it as a rainbow, so we're going to do that as well, just because I don't want to be different on the first go. I will be using an eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using the P. Louise 01. I've only ever used this once, maybe twice, and it wasn't my fave, I've got to say, but we're going to give it a good go just because I do want a sticky base, and I'm guessing that you probably need some kind of good highly pigmented shadows, as we're not going to be building them up as such. It looks like it's like a one stamp opportunity, maybe being able to go over it again, but the second time you're not going to get the same pattern as such. I hope that makes sense. I'm nervous. I don't know what I'm nervous about. I was going to say I'm going to get my brushes out ready, but I don't need brushes. I just want one brush, and that is literally to tap my eye base. It's one of them days. It's literally one of them days. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush. So I'm just, I'll zoom you in a little bit. Let me zoom you in slightly. Is that better? Maybe, maybe not. I'll zoom you in a little bit more in a second. Okay, so tap that all over the eyelid, all the way up to the brow bone. We've got it on anyway. We've got it on. Shall I tap it out a little bit with my beauty blender? I feel that this eye base, it's very dry. Then we get our tissue. I'm going to screw it up. Gosh. Give it some texture. Good amount of texture. Right. And I'm not a screwer of tissue up. I'm more of a folder. So I'm going to go yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple. And then I'm going to do opposite. So that down here and that down here. Okay. Let me... Oh gosh. Okay. So let's go yellow from the Stacey Marie palette. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so right in there. Okay. And that's what we have. Alright, I'm going to carry on. Right, other side. I'm going into Mango. and I'm taking it all the way up. Whoa. This is what we've got so far. Alright, let's clean this up. I actually love it. There's no blending, nothing like that. I feel that yellow, I need a different yellow. So I'm going to go in the original Carnival palette, and I'm going to go in to Keen, because that's more of a bright yellow. That's better. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to pop on my foundation. So I've just zoomed you out a little bit. I've got my face on, so I'm just going to do the opposite eyes. So let's whoops, that's a little bit much. Right, I've got to do it so it's less. I'm not sure about the bottom lash line. I think that's gone a little bit haywire. Trust me to mess it up, I tell ya. I need more red. Do I do a black wing or a white wing? I think I'm gonna do white. This is the Shein Epic Liner. I'm gonna try and do that. Get my water spray. Give that a spray. So this liner is one that you just mix with water. It's like a water activated paint. So you just pop just a spray of water, and then you have your liner. Right, oh gosh, this is going to ruin it, isn't it? Okay, let me zoom you in. I think that looks pretty cool. Yes, no. I'm really tempted to just do some little dots. Gosh, am I going to regret that? I'm not going to do that. I might do it afterwards just to see what it would look like. But at the moment, we're leaving it be. I'm going to pop on some coloured eyeliners just on my bottom waterline. I'm going to do blue this side and yellow this side. Needs a little bit of warming up, it needs a little bit of coaxing. And then the yellow one, this yellow one is pretty good. Slides on in there. I'm going to pop on mascara and lashes. Lashes, I'm going to go with just some good old Ardell Wispies. I definitely should have put on some thicker eyelashes, so a bit more dramatic. What I'll do is I will put lashings and lashings of mascara on in a second. I'm going to get my BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight palette because I want to highlight the inner corner and brow bone with the corresponding colours. I'm going to go in with Laser, which is more of a green highlight. My inner corner highlight on both sides because I've got the green here and here. So remembering to tap it, because I just tried to swirl it and it kind of tries to blend it away then. My brow bone, I'm going to go in with Queen. Which is a blue. That's going to go on that side. And then on the other side of the brow bone, I'm going to go in with Illusion, which is like a pink. Oh, I'm having fun. This was not meant to be a lengthy video. I'm going to go and do my blush, my bronzer. Okay, I've got my face done. I'm going to go in with Watermelon Soda from Jeffree Star for my lips. Just because I feel I need something bright. Oh my god, it smells like watermelon. This is the finished look. What do we think? Do we love it? I love it. It's so easy. Obviously you don't have to faff around like I did quite so much. It is a very quick and easy look, but when I'm playing around with makeup, I just end up getting a little bit carried away, I think. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down below and I will see you all next time. Bye.